Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. Johnny Mac here, the gravy guy. It's a beautiful day, so you know what? I'm going to show you how to make a homemade sauce. Not just any ordinary sauce, a sauce for a salad. So let me quickly walk you through how to make a whole grain mustard vinaigrette. It's quick, fresh, and delicious, so let's do it. Round up a mixing bowl and add 2 tablespoons or 30 grams of whole grain mustard. To this you'll add 1 teaspoon of light brown sugar. Next up to bat, a teaspoon of salt. Spank on half a teaspoon of black pepper. Drop in 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Add 2 tablespoons or 30 milliliters of red wine vinegar. Have you ever struggled to make the perfect sauce? Wait no longer. Sauces made simply by the Sauce and Gravy channel chef, Johnny Mac, is a must for your next holiday feast or weeknight meal. Delve into a selection of savory and sweet sauces as well as rich gravy recipes, with easy-to-follow step-by-step directions and QR codes that will take you straight to the channel's video recipes. You will be able to visualize the sauce-making process and improve your sauce-making skills while delighting your family and friends. Order now and get your copy today. Links are in the video description and comment section below. Back to the homemade vinaigrette. Round up your whisk and give it all a quick mix. At this point in the process, it's time to add the olive oil. I'm using extra virgin olive oil, 1/4 cup or 63 milliliters. To nicely emulsify the vinaigrette, whisk and slowly drizzle the olive oil a little bit at a time into the bowl. After roughly 30 seconds to a minute, you have this. An easy to make whole grain mustard vinaigrette. It has a rich texture and a nice touch of tanginess. The only thing left to do is to drizzle this from scratch vinaigrette over a fresh salad and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. If you found this recipe helpful, be sure to hit that like button. Hey, and you know what? If you found it helpful, share it with your friends. They might find it useful too. Thanks again for watching. Remember, it's just you, me, and the sauces. Until next time, keep whisking, y'all.